Hi, this is Asmita from Informatica GCS, and in this video we will talk about how to determine port used by Informatica Integration Service and Repository Service. The agenda of this video is to understand ports and the ways we can determine the port of Integration Service and Repository Service, determining the port using admin console, determining the port using command line. We'll see some useful commands and message codes, and we will see a demo on the same. So now we will proceed. So we have two ways to determine the ports, but before that we will see what are ports actually. So port number is very important when you want to connect to any of the process or services running in a machine. Suppose there are many processes which are running in your machine, and once you try to connect to your machine without the port, it will be confused that which service to actually connect to. So with the help of port number, it becomes easy to see which process we actually want to connect using the port number. So now we will see how we can find the same. So there are two ways. First one is to find it from the admin console, and the second is to find from the command line. We will see one by one both these steps. Determining port using admin console. For this, you have to log into your admin console, go to the log section, and then select the corresponding integration service and repository service. We have proper message codes which would be written while RS or IS is started. We'll use the same codes to find the port number of the services. We'll proceed to the command line section now. So we'll see how to determine port using the command line. For this, you will have to log into your Informatica server, and we will use Linux commands to find the PID of the particular process for which we want to find the port. So we will use the command to find the PID of PM server and PM rep agent, which are for the Power Center integration service and repository service, and then we will use netstat command to find the port on which that particular process ID is running. We will also see how to find the port using the infacmd ping command. Now we will see some of the useful message codes. So I have mentioned two of the message codes. REP_51009. This is the message code which is written in the repository service logs once we are restarting or starting our repository service. So this will be listing the port number on which that particular process is getting started. The second command is SP_34012. So this is the message code which is written in the integration service log when we are restarting the integration service. This will also list the port number on which that particular process is running. So now we will proceed to the demo session of the same. We will first find the ports using the admin console from the Informatica Power Center version 10.4, and then we will see how to find the ports of the services using the command line. So let's proceed to Informatica admin console. So now I have logged into Informatica admin console of Power Center version 10.4, which you can see here. And I have went to the log section and I have selected the service in this. So first we will select repository service, and we will select the corresponding repository service. I have selected the rep_test, and then we have to provide the code, which is REP_51009. We'll just filter it, and here we can see the message code, and along with the port number which has been used by the repository service. See, the message says Informatica repository agent for rep_test, ready to receive request on port number 500054. So we'll see the same port in the command line as well. So once we finish this demo on the admin console. So now we will go ahead and see for the integration service. Here we will select the integration service, that is is_test, and we'll filter it. So we can see this with the same message code SF_34012, which we discussed during the slides. We see the port number is visible here. So the message says opened service port 50055 to listen for the client connections. So in this way, from the admin console, we can find the port numbers. Now we will proceed to command line. So now I have logged into the Informatica server box, and I have listed the PM rep agent PID here, and now I'm using netstat command, netstat-peano, and I'm grepping on the PID which is used by this rep agent process. So using this, I can see the listening port is 50054, which is the same as we saw in the admin console. Now we'll see the same for PM server. So similarly, we'll find out the PID of the PM server using this command, and then we'll get the PID, that is 36040, and again I'm using the netstat command to find the port which is used for the particular integration service. So here I can see the port number is 50055, which is same as we saw in the admin console. So with this, we finish our demo session. You can refer to our Informatica knowledge base in case you face any issues. You can also refer to our command reference, for the link for the same has been given. We would love to hear from you. You can write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us on InfaSupport. Thank you so much for your time.